The dewatering operation is progressing on schedule.
Keep an eye on those pressure gauges.
We're clear to start drilling on the bedrock. Initiating blast sequence.
Explosions in 3, 2, 1.
Blast completed. Proceed with stabilization and cleaning. The depth is satisfactory. Confirming anchor system integrity. Batch plants operating efficiently.
Keep it steady. Guide it in. Watch your hands. Check the clearances. Lowering, lowering, almost there.
All right, cable secure, hoist it slow. Clear the exclusion zone, stay on the taglines. Ready the welders, alignment check. Good to go, lowering into the pit. The tolerances are within the approved range. Lock the guide vane assembly. Ready the bearing. Verify alignment.
Keep it steady. Down another 5 inches. Copy. 5 inches. Check the alignment on number 2.
The multi-stage ship lock reaches completion, connecting the Great River to the dam's reservoir. A triumph of...
Gate position verified, adjust 3 degrees to port.
3 degrees to port, lowering slowly now. Hydraulics are green, ready for seal.
Roger, final descent.
Open the gates. Hydraulic pressure nominal, main turbine engaged. Confirmation received.
The turbine output looks stable. Check the bearing temperature on Unit 3. I'm monitoring it now. Everything's within normal parameters. Good. Let's move to the transformers.
Engaging hydraulic systems, commencing lift. Affirmative, pressure holding steady. Check alignment at the upper gate, engineers confirm. Verified, ready for release. The spillway gates are set at 60%, maintaining stable water levels. Affirmative, the outflow matches predict. The stator insulation test results are stable. Let's confirm the cooling duct airflow is unrestricted. Check the busbar connections for any impedance spikes. Check the pressure on cylinder 3.
Status is green.
Continue welding on the upstream gate. Engaging the hoist. All clear above. Slow descent. Watch the guides. Check the alignment on the north side.
Gates are confirmed partially open. Response stable. Hydraulic pressure within range. Structural movement.